Welcome to class, students. Today we'll be looking at a very vital topic titled carbohydrates. Carbohydrates consist of sugars, starches, and fibers naturally present in fruits, grains, vegetables, and dairy products. Despite being frequently maligned in popular diet trends, carbohydrates represent one of the fundamental food groups essential for maintaining optimal health. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are sugar molecules that, alongside proteins and fats, form one of the three primary nutrients present in food and beverages. When consumed, your body converts carbohydrates into glucose, which serve as the primary fuel source for cells, tissues, and organs throughout your body. Carbohydrates are organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. They are built from two fundamental molecular structures: the aldehydes, that is featuring a double bond between carbon and oxygen plus hydrogen, and ketones, with a carbon oxygen double bond plus two additional carbon atoms. These basic units can link together to form longer chains called polymers. Key carbohydrate fats. We have energy production fats that you should know about carbohydrates. We have energy production. Carbohydrates function as your body's preferred energy source, with each gram providing 4 calories of energy. We have chemical composition. These nutrients are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen elements arranged in specific 1:1 ratio, represented by the formula CH2ON, where N indicates the number of carbon atoms present. Digestion process. Carbohydrate breakdown begins in your mouth when salivary glands release amylase, an enzyme that converts tertiary food into individual glucose molecules. We also have the energy storage. Your body stores excess glucose as glycogen, primarily in the liver and muscles. Total carbohydrate storage capacity ranges from approximately 1,600 to 2,500 calories, with the liver holding about 100 grams of glycogen and muscles storing between 300 to 500 grams, varying by individuals. Three types of carbohydrates. We have the simple carbohydrates and the complex carbohydrates. The simple carbohydrates are the monosaccharide, that is one sugar molecule, disaccharide, two sugar molecule, and we have the complex carbohydrates are oligosaccharide, that is 2 to 10 sugar molecule, and polysaccharide, that is 10 or more sugar molecule. For the monosaccharide, the one sugar molecule example, we have the glucose, the fructose, and the galactose. For the disaccharide, that is we have two sugar molecule, we have the sucrose, the lactose. The sucrose is galactose plus fructose, while the lactose is glucose and galactose, while the maltose is glucose and glucose. So we have the oligosaccharide, that is the complex carbohydrate, that is 2 to 10 sugar molecules. We have the raffinose and the stachyose, while the polysaccharide, that is 10 or more sugar molecules. We have the starch, the glycogen, the cellulose. The simple sugar. These basic carbohydrates exist in their most fundamental form and include both added sugar found in candy, desserts, processed foods, and sodas, as well as naturally occurring sugars present in fruits, vegetables, and milk. We have the complex starches. These sophisticated carbohydrates consist of multiple simple sugars linked together. Your digestive system must break down starches into individual sugar before they can be utilized for energy. Common sources include bread, cereal, pasta, starchy vegetables like potatoes, peas, and corn. We also have the dietary fiber. These complex carbohydrates cannot be completely broken down by your digestive system. Fiber-rich food promotes satiety, helping prevent overreacting helping prevent overeating while offering additional health benefits such as improved digestive function, reduced constipation risks, and better cholesterol and blood sugar management. Plant-based food including fruit, vegetables, nuts, seed, beans, and whole grains provide excellent fiber sources. Types of carbohydrate by structure. We have the single sugar unit, that is monosaccharide. These are the simplest carbohydrate, consist of individual sugar molecules. That is the glucose, the primary fuel, the primary fuel source of your body cells. We have the galactose, commonly found in the dairy products and milk. We have the fructose, naturally present in fruits and vegetables. We have the double sugar unit, that is disaccharide. This consists of two sugar molecules bonded together. That is lactose, found in milk, combining glucose and galactose. We have sucrose, common table sugar made from galactose and fructose. We have the multiple sugar chains, that is polysaccharide. These complex structures contain hundreds of thousands or thousands of sugar units. When a carbohydrate has 3 to 10 sugar units, it's sometimes called the oligosaccharide. These serve as energy storage for living organisms. Examples are the glycogen, stores energy in your liver and muscle tissue. The starches, abundant in food like potatoes, rice, and wheat. And we have the cellulose, provide structural support in plant cell walls. Simple versus complex classification. Nutritionists categorize carbohydrates into two main groups based on their complexity. The simple carbohydrates, which include a monosaccharide and disaccharide, essentially all sugars. They are quickly absorbed and provide immediate energy, but this energy doesn't last long, leaving you hungry again soon after. You will find them in white bread, candy, and processed sugars. While the complex carbohydrates, these are polysaccharide with long sugar chains. They are found in whole grains, fiber-rich fruit, vegetable, legumes, and whole grain pasta. Because of this structure, they take more time to digest and provide sustained energy while keeping you satisfied longer. They also offer superior nutritional value with more vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So this complex carbohydrate, when consumed, it makes you more satisfied or satisfy you longer. So energy and blood sugar effect. Simple carbohydrate digest rapidly, causing quick spikes on blood glucose level. This creates a brief energy boost followed by a crash. Contrary to popular belief that sugar rushes, research involving over 1,200 people found no evidence of improved mood or increased activity from simple carbs. Instead, people experienced decreased alertness and increased tiredness within 30 to 60 minutes. Complex carbohydrates break down more slowly, leading to gradual sustained increases in blood glucose and longer lasting energy. This makes them superior over maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Carbohydrate-rich food sources. We have the grain products, fresh fruit, dairy products, legume family, the sweet treats and snacks, beverages, starchy vegetables. The grain products include bread, noodles, pasta, crackers, cereals, and rice, provide substantial carbohydrate content and serve as a dietary samples worldwide. We also have the fresh fruits. Apples, bananas, berries, mangoes, melons, and oranges offer natural sugar along with essential vitamins and minerals and fibers, while the dairy products, milk and yogurt, contain lactose, a naturally occurring sugar that contributes to their carbohydrate content. We also have legume family, Dried beans, lentils, peas provide complex carbohydrates alongside protein and fiber. Sweet treats and snacks, cakes, cookies, candy and other desserts are high in simple carbohydrates primarily from added sugars. We also have beverages, juices, regular sodas, fruit drinks, sports drinks and energy drinks containing sugar deliver concentrated carbohydrate in liquid form. We also have starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn and peas contain higher carbohydrate level compared to other vegetables. Low carbohydrate options, we have the meat, fish, poultry, certain cheese, nuts and oil contain minimal carbohydrate content. Perhaps choosing quality carbohydrates, you prioritize whole grains, avoid refined grains, emphasize high fiber food, limit added sugars. So prioritize whole grains, choose whole wheat bread, brown rice, whole cornmeal and oatmeal over refined alternative. Avoid refined grains. This processed food have had beneficial grain components removed, reducing the nutritional value and high benefit. Emphasize on high fiber food. Use nutrition fat labels to identify products rich in fiber, dietary fiber which support digestive health and promote satiety. Limit added sugars. Food with excessive added sugar provide calories without substantial nutrition, potentially leading to blood sugar spike and weight gain. Review nutrition fat label to monitor both total sugar and added sugar content. Simple carbohydrate to limit, we have candy and confection, soft drinks and sweetened beverages, syrups and sweeteners, refined table sugar, fruit juice concentration, processed baked goods and sugary cereals. While the pro tips, choose whole fruit over fruit juices whenever possible. Whole fruits provide more fiber and better blood sugar control than their juice counterparts. Carbohydrate and obesity. While some people blame rising obesity rate on increased carbohydrate consumption, the reality is far complex. Weight gain results from multiple interconnected factors such as sedentary lifestyle, food environment changes, economic barriers, portion distortion, sleep disruption, biological factors and psychological. So sedentary lifestyle, that is reduced physical activity in modern society. We have environmental changes, greater availability of ultra processed foods and junk food. We have economic barriers, limited access to affordable fresh whole food. We have larger serving sizes leading to excess calorie consumption, that is portion distortion. Sleep disruption, insufficient rest affecting metabolism and hunger hormones, biological factors such as genetic predisposition and individual difference. We also have psychological elements such as stress and emotional eating patterns. Thank you for listening.